Okay, let's continue our MCQ number 8. A regular holiday pay rate is typically a 100% of the hourly rate, 100 letter B, 125% of the hourly rate, letter C, 130% of the hourly rate, letter D, 200% of the hourly rate. Number 9, a worker earns 85 pesos per hour. He worked 8 hours on a regular holiday. How is his holiday pay calculated? A. 85 times A times 1.25. B. 85 times A times 2.0. C. 85 times A times 0.2. Letter D. 85 times A. Next, number 10. Which statement is true? Letter A. Overtime is paid at the same rate as regular hours. Letter B. Night differential is given for work done during daylight hours. Letter C. Hazard pay is an additional allowance for risky work conditions. Letter D. Holiday pay is always less than the regular pay. Number 11. A factory worker earns 110 pesos per hour if he works 40 regular hours and 4 overtime hours at 125%. How is the total pay calculated? Letter A, 110 times 40 plus 110 plus 4 times 4 times 1.25. Letter B, 110 times 4 plus 110 times 40 times 1.25. Letter C, 110 times 44 plus 1.25. Letter D, 110 times 40 minus 110 times 4 times 0.125. Number 12. An employee works 5 hours of overtime on a special holiday with a rate of 130%. Which formula is correct? Letter A. Overtime pay is equal to over hourly rate times 5 times 1.30. Letter B, overtime pay is equal to hourly rate times 1.30. Letter C, overtime pay is equal to hourly rate times 0.30 times 5. Letter D, overtime pay is equal to hourly rate times 5 times 2.0. Number 13, which of the following is not an example of an allowance? Letter A, hazard pay. Letter B, transportation allowance. Letter C, meal allowance. Letter D, overtime pay. Number 14. A construction worker earns 100 pesos per hour. He works 40 hours plus 6 hours overtime at 125% and has a 500 peso allowance. How is the total pay computed? Letter A, 100 times 40 plus 100 times 6 times 1.25. Letter B, 100 times 40 plus 100 times 6 times 1.25 plus 500. Letter C, 100 times 46 plus 500 times 1.25. Letter D, 100 times 40 minus 100 times 60 times 1.25. Number 15. If a night differential rate is 10%, which of the following is correct for calculating night differential pay? Letter A, hourly rate times night hours times 0.10. Letter B, hourly rate times night hours times 10. Letter C, hourly rate times night hours times 1.25. Letter D, hourly rate times night hours times 2.0. The answer key for lesson 3, please proceed to lesson 4. And the answer key for lesson 2, monthly wages from an annual salary is as follows. Okay, so number 1, B, monthly wage. Number 2, C, 12 months. Number 3, B, monthly wage formula. Number 4, A, 70,000 pesos. Number 5, B, 648,000 pesos. Number 6, B, daily wage formula. Number 7, B, 75,000 pesos. Number 8, D is equals to 480,000 pesos. Number 9, B, 2,950 pesos. Number 10, A, true statement. Number 11, C, 100,000 pesos. Number 12, B, 624,000 pesos. Number 13, B, 55,000 pesos. Number 14, C, 70,000 pesos. Number 15, B, annual salary formula. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.